show. I know I haven't made that much content, but today is a big day for all the Impalas. If you don't know what Impala is, it's this beautiful car right here. Slick. We're out here grinding. Borrachos Car Club. You know where we be. Everywhere out here. All these cars, custom. Everything was made to perfection. Nice cars. All this money everywhere. It's probably long. Not sure. I'm not sure you can even hear me because this music is so lit. You know what? Just have a good time. Relax. Look at this. Look at the view. Look at the cars. We would have bought ours, but it looks like crap. Everything. Nice. Chevrolet. Impalas, if you didn't know, they're Chevys. Anyways, later on, I'll be going live. This is just a quick view of all the cars. Catch up like at maybe 1 or 2. I'll do it quicker. I'll notify everybody. Thanks for watching.